Hi, I'm Jill. So this is my project I did, as you can see, from the side view. It has a gearbox with a DC motor in it, and a DC motor is basically just a coil of wires spinning around two magnets, and that makes electricity. And so when the electricity travels through these wires, hits these wires, which are just wrapped around. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hold on, one of my wires came undone. Oh well, I'll get that later. And then as it goes through, there's two of these that are supposed to be together, but came out. And then so they travel through these coils of wires, which are around to create a magnetic field. Then they travel back through, and they come to a resistor, a 1K resistor. And then they come to a transistor, which sends the electricity in 3 different ways. And then they come up to the LED light bulb, which is right here, not very big. And so this is my sketch. I'll turn your way up to the light bulb. Projector. No, that's so good. So these are my blades right here, right there. Okay, and there's a wood hub, which is this, and then my gearbox is on the wrong side, and then this is the metal shaft that runs through and turns the DC motor, which makes the electricity comes up to the resistor and the transistor and to the LED light bulb. And this is called a dual thief, which is this little contraption, which is also known as a step-up transformer. And then we have the tail fin, which is on the back, and a pivot, which it pivots. Okay. And then
Hey Joe, why would we want a pivot?
A pivot? You want a pivot, so say the wind's coming from this way and it's spinning, but then the wind changes and it comes and spins it to where it needs to be so it can spin again.
Okay, I thought kind of obvious, but
Yeah.
that's a good thing to explain.
And so then this is my round book, which is like information about what you need to build something similar to that. So like so like this is like a quick sketch of the model, not very well, but you need like a rotor, which is this, or blades, and then you need your pivot, and your gearbox, and your DC motor.
Tony.
Then you need your lights, like a voltmeter, and I'll be trying to use both. And then, just so I don't steal anyone's information, these are the sites that I use. So I use, let's see, working?
It sometimes takes a little bit to
I use
focus.
the wind generator design from Indestructibles, which is a good spot that shows you how to like make different options of it. And this is another one, but I watched it on YouTube, and it made like one like someone else's. And then if you go and you make a jewel thief, you just look up jewel thief, and it's a circuit, so it's just not normal. And it's just a special circuit that allows it to do that. And so now I'll show you guys how this works. So, it actually lights up anything. Oh, okay. So, it spins very easily, like that. Okay. But to show you how it makes electricity, I'm going to have to connect these wires now. So,
And Joe, if you don't want to go through that, that's fine. We've seen it work.
yeah. Okay, well, yeah. I'll just connect this to the parts that I know work.
Thanks, David.
Then this part. So there. And so now, if you watch the voltmeter, it will move.
Might hold it back a little, David. So, oh, there we go. Just so the blades don't hit it. It works.
And that's not lighting up the light because it's burned out and it's not, and the wires aren't connected right. So that's my project. Bye.
Joe, any suggestions or like really proud moments or anything that you learned in this process?
I learned that when we were doing the test with the blades, that if they're not aligned right, that they won't spin. Then you also see here we had to we put the blades wrong.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't want to turn around and show the bad side. So all we did was we switched the wires, and then that allowed it to spin the right way to make the light light up. So it made it spin.